Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new product we are carrying. It's the giant premium Fishscale detailing and polishing cloth, or towel if you will. Fishscale as in the shape of the pleats that you have in here. These are pleated pockets within a microfiber cloth, obviously making them more absorbent for when you're detailing windows, as well as a greater ability to trap dirt within the cloth. When you're doing kind of, buffing out smudges or whatnot. They are the giant premium towels. Let's just open this up, give you an idea of the full size of this. Where did I go? Oh, here I am. They are approximately 24 inches by 32 inches. It's kind of reminiscent of the scrim cloth. Of course, the scrim cloth is a different material, it's linen. This is a premium microfiber. With it being a microfiber cloth, you just want to be careful that you don't drag it along rough surfaces like stone or rough wood or something like that. But other than that, these feel pretty actually great quality for microfiber towels. I can see these lasting a long time. Of course, you can wash them multiple times, and it's got those nice pleats to trap in all the stuff you don't want to be left on the glass. You can check this out at thewindowcleaningstore.com. We're shipping all across North America. We're selling them singles, 2-pack, save about 8%. Buy a 5-pack, save 10%. Check it out, windowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.